Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to moisturize your hair while it's in braids. I start off by applying some of my DIY aloe vera juice, which helps to ease itching because of its healing properties. Make sure your scalp has been fully saturated with the aloe. Spread the remaining aloe juice on the strands of the braids. Next, I applied some diluted leave-in conditioner to allow it to easily absorb into my strands. I normally dilute it with warm water since I have low porosity hair, so the warm water helps open up my cuticles, hence allowing for the leave-in conditioner to easily absorb into my strands. I then applied an oil to lock in the moisture. I prefer almond oil since it's light, so it won't cause a lot of buildup on my hair, and it's super moisturizing. Since I'm a little bit extra, I applied a mousse to tame some of the frizz. My hair was very wet since it was a wash day, so I blow dried it under medium heat setting until it was damp. Always blow dry in a downward motion to close the cuticles, thus locking in the moisture. this was the next day. My hair was super moisturized. Just check out the shine. Remember to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!